all sleepy? Yang benar. Okay, everyone. So before we start our class today, let's have a short prayer, shall we? Amen. Okay. Okay, everyone. I would like to check the attendance first. Wait a minute. Aku nggak nanya lagu. Let's listen to the piano. So Sila here, Alpha is here, Nabila is here, Delta is not here, Zelda is here. Okay, come on. Today, what we are going to learn ya. Can you read it? What we are going to learn today? Yep. Setting my ocean feelings. Yep, that's right. So today we are going to learn about emotions and feelings. Since we are easy. Yep. Everyone, do you all know what are emotions? So, emotions are feelings that people experience in different situations, and every person experiences a wide range of emotion. Jadi, emosi itu adalah sebuah perasaan yang orang-orang itu rasakan di situasi yang berbeda-beda. Nah, terus juga setiap orang itu mengalami dan merasakan berbagai macam emosi. Nah, by the way, emotions ini influence thoughts, behavior, and decisions. Jadi, emosi ini bakal menginfluence pikiran kita, terus juga behavior, kebiasaan, and then decision, keputusan kita juga. And they show how we react to things that happens around us. Mereka memperlihatkan gimana cara kita tuh bereaksi terhadap sesuatu yang terjadi di sekitar kita. Betul, Butas. Good. Next slide.
And why do we talk about feelings? Okay, things that you should know. Talk about feelings. Itu can help us to first express what we feel. Jadi dia membantu untuk mengekspresikan apa yang kita
To express feelings, we are basically use this pattern. Subject, I will write it in whiteboard since it's like subject. Do you guys know what does it mean? Subject. Subject. Ada apa aja subject? He, okay, can be. He, she, what? WHO. She, are you? He, okay. He, they, and then the last one, kalau nama orang, and then you kind of animals, no? Depannya I. Immortal. It's if there are sentences that use person name, nah, it is called it. Okay, get it? Get it? Get it? Everyone? Yeah. Okay, and then plus me. Plus to be. Itu tense. Subject T to be. Plus to be or bisa langsung fill. Nah, fill ini kan buat I daily. If kalau semisal nanti subjeknya he, she, it, berarti ditambah apa di belakangnya? I feel. Ditambah apa? I to be. Okay. So, yeah. Me. Are you Devi? I feel so sad. Attention please. Oh, does that me? Are you Devi? Tahu nggak? Pernah dengar nggak? Kalau Are you Devi itu nggak suka S. Pernah dengar nggak? Are you Devi nggak suka S? Nggak pernah dengar Miss. Suka I's days. So, if the subject is he, she, and it, itu feel-nya ditambah dengan huruf B. S. Huruf S, iya. Itu tadi, nih. Sudah nggak paham. Jadi nih, gampangnya ya. Are you Dewi? Nggak suka S. So, if you say S, ini nggak pakai S. Iya. So, if you take a look semisal, I feel, nih ya, funny. Lawan funny aja, kalimat funny di sini.
Sit down. Itu nggak kelihatan dari situ. Miss tahu nggak?
What is the subject in here?
I feel happy because I got ice cream.
Yeah. The subject is
Berarti bukan I feel sad ya?
It's just the example. Since the subject is I, dan di sini, nih, are you Devi? Mereka nggak suka S, jadi feel-nya di sini. We don't need to add huruf S di sini karena subjeknya adalah
Happy.
Subjeknya adalah I. Beda kalau semisal hey, feels. Beda kalau say. Aku juga mau tas nih. Different from this. Nih, di samping kalian di sini subjeknya adalah
Tuntas dan
bagus tuntas. Subjeknya, what is the subject in here? She. Nah, she. She ini kan beda ya golongannya sama I, you, they, and me. So we add S in behind. Okay, good. Sit. Nah, to make a basic sentence about our feelings, duduk please sit down please. Go back to your chair. Please. Here we can. Nih, setelah tadi ada subject plus to be or feel plus S and then we can plus emotions.
please.
Lebih mengerikan. Can you guys mention what are the kinds of emotions that we learned? There are kinds of emotions, different types of emotions. Yang pertama, can you mention apa aja? Emotions that we happy, surprise, example here. Right here. I get E because I got explain because you explain the reason why I get E. Because everyone just tell because it's the equation where this side. I because that's explain why. This time, everyone, please come forward, and each student need to take 2 of this roll. Oh wait, before, let me give you an example. Yes, please. Everyone have a seat, please. Have a seat.
Apa?
Let me explain to you how right now in each roll there will be any kind of situation. Okay. So for the example, I got a situation, and the sentence is she loses her cat. Okay, and here, as you can see here, there will be the emotions. So what you are going to do is you need to make a sentence based on the situations that you got. Each student will take 2 roles. Okay. Jadi, nih, lihat, each student take 2. And then di sini, di sini pakai lagi sentence. She loses her cat. And then the expressions that you are going to give. And then based on this, you need to make a sentence. Gitu. Then, no. Bikin maksudnya apa? Nih, kan here I got set emotions and the reason she loses her cat. So I need to make a sentence. For example, like this. She, since the subject in here is she, she feels, feel good. She feels sad because So everyone, is it clear? So in each role, there will be a picture of emotions, and you need to take a look for what you got, and then here one by one you need to come in front and spokenly say about the situations that you got. Okay? I think it's okay if you need to write it first to help you, but nanti maju. Tapi ini belum komis. Coba ke ini yang bisa. Ini. Ya, yang bisa yang kuri kasih. Now we are going to play a game. We are going to play a snakes and letters game. Snakes and letters. So, everyone, please come forward, and each student will take this. We'll take Mister. Oh, yung dano. Ganon. Hindi ako pumatay dyan. Wait, Miss. Yep. There's one harvest in our harvest. Oops. Now, okay. And this time. So, in each number, there will be a challenge for you. And you need to answer it. I need challenge. Okay. You already take this one. Okay. Okay. That before we end our class today, let's have a short prayer, shall we? Amen.
Amen.
And then everyone, thank you very much for participating in my class. I'll see you guys